Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your trip on Expedia. This is a great feature if you're planning a group vacation and want to share your itinerary with family or friends so everyone stays on the same page. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. This will bring you to your Expedia homepage where you can manage all your travel plans. Now, in the upper right toolbar, click Trips. This section is where all your travel itineraries are stored, making it easy to access and manage your bookings in one place. Clicking on Trips will take you to a page displaying all your upcoming and potential travel plans. Next, you'll need to select the specific trip you want to share with someone. Look through your existing trips in either the upcoming or potential section and click on the one you'd like to invite someone to. This will open up the full details of that particular trip, showing you all the bookings and reservations you've made. Once you're viewing your trip details, look for the Invite to your trip or Invite People button at the top of the page. This button is specifically designed to let you add other travelers to your itinerary. Go ahead and click on it to start the invitation process. A new window or section will appear asking for the person's information. In the email field, type the email address of the person you want to invite to your trip. Make sure you enter it correctly so they actually receive the invitation without any issues. Just below that, you'll see a message field where you can type an optional message. This is a nice touch if you want to add a personal note explaining the trip or just a friendly greeting to go along with the invitation. Feel free to customize this however you like or leave it blank if you prefer to keep it simple. Finally, once you've entered the email address and any message you want to include, click the Invite button. This will send the invitation directly to the person's email, giving them access to view the trip details and join in on the planning. And that's it. You've successfully invited someone to your trip on Expedia, making it easier to coordinate travel plans and keep everyone informed about the itinerary. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.